Hi, this is the REDMI Note 12S and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings and then tap to sounds and vibration. Here you'll see notifications, ringtone, alarm section. Just to change them, we should select one from these available sections and just find the sounds which we like. Here we got media, ringtone, and alarm volume panels. So just to change them, we should slide to the left or to the right side these panels. In sound assistant section, we got the switcher to adjust media and sound in multiple apps to use multiple audio sources. Let's go back. Also, if you want, you can turn on or turn off the silent mode to silence media in silent mode with the help of the switchers. Also, we could activate and turn off the don't disturb mode to set the shadow, the start, the end time, to notify about the repeated calls, to notify about calls from anyone, no one contacts, start contacts, and to use this option when device is locked. In additional settings, we got dial buttons, tap sounds, lock and lock sounds, screenshot, uninstalling, deleting, charging, and audio start tap sounds. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. Let's go back, and in vibration for calls and in silent mode we got here the switcher, so we could turn on or turn off these options. And also vibration and top settings, we could switch it from medium to light to turn it off or to use the strong one. And in sound effects we could just here change the earphone control settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.